First, we're going to do is practice the factoring. We're going to factor trinomials. When a equals 1, all right, let me put this back. Uh-oh. All right, when a equals 1, the a goes right here. So it's actually supposed to be like this. Ax squared plus bx plus c, right? This a, right now, we're going to practice when a equals 1, which is the case right here. 1, if you look at number 1, also 1 for a. If you look at number 3, also 1 for a. If you look at number 4, also 1 for a. Then there's a rule for that. All right, so first you set your parentheses, right? You got your parentheses set. Because this is a plus, because that's a plus, if the last number is a plus, automatically you can drop that plus right here and drop this plus right here. All right, and then we're dealing with the letter b squared, so b. Same thing for number 2, right? So because the last number is a plus, you drop the middle sign right here. You drop the middle sign right here. Okay. Now number 3 and number 4 are different. You see that they have minus. We're gonna have to deal with that later. All right, next. So 7 is the number. So I'm gonna write the last number 7 over here. I'm going to look for the factors of 7. The numbers I multiply to 7, if you add them together, it will give you the middle number, which is 8. Same deal on the right side. 10, I'm going to look for the factors of 10 because when I do find it, the sum must equal to the middle number in the middle, which is negative 11. All right, let's go back to number 1. All right, so let's list them out. 1 times 7. 1 times 7 will give me 7. But what if I do 1 plus 7? Will that give me 8? Sure it does. So therefore, you see this 1, put it right here. You see this 7, put it right here. You're done. All done with that. All right, let's go to number 2. The factors of 10. We always start with 1. 1 times 10 is 10. But what about 1 plus 10? Would that give you negative 11? No, it would give you positive 11. All right, well, let's do this. What if we did negative 1 times negative 10? Negative 1 times negative 10 would give you positive 10. All right, so what about negative plus negative 10? They give you negative 11. So this checks out. So all you have to do is put this number right here and put that number right here. So we have a 1 and we have the 10. And the letters we're dealing with is N. You're done with this. Right? Let's go to number 3. Well, number 3, now that we have a negative, because you have a negative, it only means that you will have 2 different signs, a plus and a minus. Don't forget we did it with letter M, letter M. Same deal here. Because we have a negative, we have different symbol, plus, negative. We did it with the letter N, letter N. The rest of the process is still the same thing. So negative 90. One number you multiply 90 will add up to give you the middle number, which is 1 here. Same thing here. The negative 12. One number can you multiply negative 12 to give you the sum of 4. All right, let's try some things here. How about 1 and 90? 1 times 90, that's positive. So maybe one of them should put negative. Negative 1 times 90 gives you negative 90. But there's no way that's going to add up to give you 1. What about 9 and 10? Negative 9 times 10. Well, negative 9 times 10 give you negative 90. But I bet you if you do add them up, negative 9 plus 10 equals to 1. Yeah, that matches to that. So therefore, you put that looks like the minus will go right here. And that goes right there. We're done. All right, let's try this one right here. So what 2 numbers to multiply the negative 12? So let's see, that gives me 4. So let's start with negative 1 times positive 12. There's no way if I add this, it would give me 4. What about 6 and 2? Yeah, how about that? So negative 6 times 2. But what if I did this? Could that, if I add that, that would give me -4, right? If you do -6 plus 2, that give you -4. Reverse it. Do 6 times -2. Well, if you add that 6 plus -2, you get 4. All right, which matches this 4. So you put the 6, which is positive. You put the 2 right here. You're done. All right, good stuff. Now you can try the next one.